Yep.
Walk into my Escalade, tell them boys I'm not afraid.
Yeah, they are open. Okay. I'm going to go get milk. Sorry.
I'm so cold.
So today's adventure, we're chilling. We're gonna go downtown and see what the flood damage is. All be flooded, destruction, mayhem.
I'm not as excited as you are, though.
I'm pretty excited. I've never been on, well, I have been on a wildlife adventure, but not like this one.
This is where that lady was convinced that Chris and I were twins. Like, convinced.
Gotta make a quick stop to get some milk.
Some sour cream.
Some sour cream?
Choices. We could go with Mahola by Starfield. We could go with the essential everyday Horizon. Is that all they have for Starfield?
Whole milk. This is what we like, the good stuff.
That's the good stuff.
Cleaning out the store.
Let's go. Ah, get back, witch!
Thanks, bro.
And now we gotta wait for Colin to get his hair trimmed.
He's still waiting.
Ah! I was gonna name this segment.
In the car?
No, I was gonna call it like, I forgot. Anyway, we're having a stakeout. Yeah, Colin thinks he's so smug in there. We're gonna catch him right as he comes out red-handed. Yep, he's gonna regret it. It's okay. You gotta be armed when you're an officer of the law.
Put those in there either.
Right here, I have 3 bullets.
These are 357 Magnum.
Plus 2 more. We need a better camera angle, bro.
Still waiting.
Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's a stakeout. Still waiting. You
got any donuts?
Still waiting.
I'll be like, who messed up my seat?
What else we got in here?
Flashlight? He's still waiting.
Still waiting. Oh, sweet. He's got it hooked up.
Still waiting.
I'm a little foggy. Have you ever eaten at New Star Chinese?
No.
Like a bit of fuzz.
There's a thing right, there's a cleaning cloth.
Oh. This seems to be making it worse.
That's what Colin cleans them with.
One thing to remember when cleaning glasses is it always gets worse before it gets better.
I don't think that's a thing.
There you have, folks.
Don't park here. Don't park here.
Don't.
He just parked there. Now I can't see at all.
step.
Great.
Step. He could have just pulled over to the next spot. He just ruined the stakeout.
Yeah, he did. Because now we can't see a thing. What's he doing?
I have no idea. What's that guy doing? Let me get my bullets. Lint roller. A lanyard. More sunglasses. This is what I was looking for.
Don't do that. That was not a trick. Now I don't even know where you put it. I don't like those glasses.
Can you get it?
I'll show you. Dang it.
Stupid knock down the camera. I knocked down the camera.
Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, mine was better.
Oh, yeah.
Caught it.
Okay, watch this.
Nunchucks.
I don't you have to understand the mechanics.
Ah!
You're gonna be breaking stuff. Or killing people.
No.
Me. Don't do that near my face. Give me that. No, you don't get any more. See, you gotta grab it by the bag so you don't cut your finger on the real one.
Yeah, how do you spin it around?
Don't know. I was always pretty good at this one. Called the spin. Death! I mean,
Do you think I could fool the girls enough to
No.
really like it?
oh, that was the shoulder bounce.
Round back, still spinning.
I like you just grabbing it anywhere you can. You're not even paying attention to where the blade is gonna be on a real one. You be freaking stuff.
It's getting toasty in here. Flap the wings.
You're gonna knock it.
Idiot knocked the camera down.
Don't flap the wings.
Oh, a nice gentle breeze. What is taking so long?
I don't know. About the longest haircut he's ever had.
Let's go in and bust him.
Here he comes.
Oh, sweet. Let's bust him. Alright, we're gonna bust him. Get on the ground, mate. Get on the ground. Alright, stakeout is over. Not completely happy with how they sculpted his hair.
Why do you have my Ray-Bans on?
I don't have your Ray-Bans on.
I think those might be my Ray-Bans.
If they stop at 10:30,
I'll be mad.
I'm not getting any.
Next stop is breakfast.
It's bow time.
That is bow time.
Change of plans. No longer bow time.
How big are they, James? I can't remember.
Oh, they Chick-fil-A size burritos.
I've never had a Chick-fil-A burrito.
Chick-fil-A burritos are the bomb.
They are.
The chicken ones.
Okay, I'm just getting that.
I'm getting 2.
You want 2.
Yes.
So you want 2 premium burritos. What do you want? 1 premium burrito. Or a regular burrito.
That's fine.
That's fine.
It's a premium.
They come with tots.
So you want the combo, James?
Yeah, I'll get a 15.
With an extra premium burrito.
I think it comes with 2, doesn't it?
I didn't think so.
There's 2 in the picture.
It says or.
It says premium breakfast burritos.
I don't know. I
I have
guess.
no idea.
Then yeah. Okay. Get 15. They come with 2. It's plural. It says burritos.
I'll get no combo.
Okay, so you just want a 15.
I'm just gonna get a 15 and find out.
Okay, I'll get a 15.
What are we drinking? I'm getting orange juice.
Oh, you want a 15 with orange juice? I'm just getting a 15 no drink.
You need something to smack or wash it down. What are you getting, Cam?
A 15, I guess.
All right.
I changed my order again, actually.
I'll go with.
How much are the corn dogs? Too expensive?
What?
I'll move on. Never mind.
You're getting orange juice, buddy. Alright.
Yeah, 15 with orange juice.
So you're just getting 3 15s, or what are you doing? May I have a number 15 medium combo with an orange juice?
Alright, which burrito?
Which one?
Supersonic.
The supersonic.
Fries or tots?
Tots.
Tots, please.
Just one burrito.
And then 2 more 15s, both just the supersonics.
Did you
Alright,
say?
you said the first one was with tater tots and orange juice?
Yes, please.
Alright.
And then the another 2 15s, both supersonics.
I'm sorry, what was that?
2 number 15 supersonic burritos.
Okay, so you want 5 altogether?
No,
5 burritos?
no, just 3 burritos.
Yes.
I don't apologize. For the second one, did you want tots or fries?
No, just the burrito.
If you say 15, it means a combo.
Well, no.
Okay, so just one is a meal.
Yes, please.
Alright.
This is a mess.
Hopefully she got 3 burritos.
I know I got mine.
What else can I get for you?
That's it.
3 supersonic breakfast burritos, 1 in a meal with tater tots and orange juice.
Yep.
Hey, my pleasure.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Combo, and that's it without the thing.
No,
They
if you
have
say
to
the
do a
number,
meal.
that means the
no,
meal.
No, no. Wait, what the heck? You have to do it yourself?
I should tell her.
What is this? That's lame.
That, my friends, is called self-serve.
That's not self-serve.
An orange juice Slurpee.
That's not a Slurpee.
Could have gotten it with a Slurpee.
But you didn't.
Breakfast is served.
Not yet.
Won't it be worse right on the water though? Or is that right on the water?
Yeah, these streets are usually flooded like crazy.
I'm really surprised that's not.
Usually those ones are going
It
in.
must be those new pumps that they put in.
Well, so adventure is kind of sabotaged. Turns out there's no adventure other than breakfast.
This is the breakfast table.
The breakfast club. Okay, serve me. And my tots.
For the second time.
So we're looking for kayaks to upgrade our arsenal and see how our boating game is gonna
Where were
be.
you looking?
Norfolk. No, I'm gonna get the 12-foot handcrafted wooden kayak in Moyak. Look at that. Look at that, mate. It's a beauty. Hold on.
This one?
That guy's having a blast.
It's the
That's the only picture. How much did you want for it?
750.
Oh my. This one's actually quite nice. I'd feel like a hobbit. Where's that cool one?
What the heck? Where's
It's got front and rear steering.
Yeah. We don't. This is a piece of junk.
Project kayak, $50 laying in the yard.
We don't want a project. We want the finished product.
Project kayak from 1970s.
How about the Sea Eagle?
That was only $200.
It looks weird though. What is it made of? And it seats 2. Only used 4 or 5 times. Holds 3 people. Or 2 people and a cooker. Good for an all-day river trip.
I'm looking for cheap ones. Oh, it's
It's only
500,
200. That's the cheapest we've seen.
400 kayak trailer. Why are these so dang expensive?
$80.
Ooh.
A few cracks in the bottom.
Is it? I just want the solid plastic one so we don't. This is the Eagle Talon. Oh, the Eagle Talon
So this says,
12.
Yeah, $80. It's all cracked. We got ours at a yard sale.
180
Expensive.
and 150. This one looks alright.
This one has a rudder.
This one's in Chesapeake. What are you looking at? You in Norfolk?
No. The Eastern Sea. It's got a rudder. 170. It's got a sail.
Oh, it's the Hobie Kona.
Oh, this one's the Swift.
Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West.
I wonder if I could ride that thing.
Oh, would you ride it like a horse?
Oh, it's quite heavy. It's quite heavy.